Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about copy any of element, picture or any of object on Wix.com. So guys, if I want this text twice or thrice on my website, then how will I do? First of all, we will select it and then we will go to the tools. Here I will select toolbar. In this toolbar you can see copy option. Select your element and then go to the toolbar, click copy, and you can paste it by pressing this option. As you can see, copy of this text, and you can also paste this text by pressing Ctrl V. As you can see guys, this is the text I've pasted here by pressing the key. So guys, same as you can copy and you can paste any of text, element, object or picture on your website by using these features and keys. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much. Good luck.